Hi folks, I'm Joe Putnam with Premier One Supplies, and today we're going to winterize one of our solar fence energizers. Today I have a Solar IntelliShock 60, but the process applies to any of our solar units. So what to do to winterize your energizer is open it up, remove the battery, and test it with a battery meter. This is our fence and battery digital tester. This will do both batteries and electric fences. I'm going to test my battery, and if it measures below 12.6 volts, we want to charge it up and top it off. This measured 12.3, so I can either put it on a trickle charger or put it back in the Energizer. I'll reattach it. I have two options. I can set the Energizer back in the sun for a couple days to let it top off via sunlight, or I can use my 110 adapter and plug it in. And after a couple of days, come back, test the battery, and make sure it's at least 12.6 volts. If after several days of charging and your battery is not reaching 12.6 volts, then we would replace the battery at that point. That indicates to us that it's not able to hold a full charge or reach a full charge, so replace. Additionally, store your Energizer in a non-freezing environment, or at least the battery in a non-freezing environment. That way it'll hold a charge for a longer period of time. Once I've topped off the battery, take the Energizer and bring it indoors. You can set it in a window all winter long. That way it'll just get a little sunlight and keep the battery topped off with the solar panel. Or you can, say, set it in the basement and just come back once a month or so, test the battery, and if it's below 12.6 volts, top it off again with either the trickle charger or setting it in the sunlight. If you're going to use the Energizer in the winter months, make sure the panel is oriented towards the sun, as in south facing, but also the angle. So in the winter months when the sun is lower in the horizon, you're going to want this panel a little bit lower. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-282-6631 or visit our website at premieronesupplies.com. Have a wonderful day.